Did you know that over 50,000 Americans visit emergency rooms each year due to carbon monoxide poisoning? And that in just one 12-month period, up to 12 of those incidents were directly linked to gas venting system failures? The reason? Plumbing products were never designed for flue gas venting applications. And codes and standards are changing to fix that. Currently, appliance manufacturers reference ASTM plumbing standards in their installation manuals. The result? An unintended safety gap that puts lives on the line. This oversight created a major disconnect between industry standards, appliance manufacturers, and vent manufacturers. But one standard changed it all. UL 1738. NFPA 54, Chapter 12, Section 5, and IFGC, Chapter 5, Section 3 fuel gas codes now recognize the UL 1738 standard across the U.S. But what does this mean for contractors? And more importantly, what is UL 1738? This life-saving standard empowers industry stakeholders to specify, require, or install certified venting materials, replaces uncertified plumbing products with certified solutions, and establishes a uniform standard to eliminate jurisdictional inconsistencies. This means stakeholders now face a critical choice: use products listed to ASTM plumbing standards, or trust ones certified to UL 1738. That's why we created IPEX System 1738. The first UL 1738 certified PVC and CPVC flue gas venting system purpose-built to protect what matters most. This innovative solution has undergone more than 50 rigorous tests to meet the demands of high-stakes applications. And unlike DWV products, System 1738 is designed to vent Category 2 and 4 for PVC and Category 2, 3, and 4 for CPVC and gas-fired appliances. This complete system includes PVC and CPVC vent pipe, fittings, primer and cement, and reliable termination options such as engineered concentric vent kits, universal concentric vent kits, and two-pipe low-profile designs. It features a permanent solvent welding joining system, solvent cement and primer with an optical brightener, certified performance for low and high temperature vent systems, and easily identifiable markings. When safety's on the line, it's more than just a job, it's doing what's right.